your phone icons are hard to see, this fixes it in under 60 seconds, and you don't need any apps. Battery, signal, Wi-Fi, all bigger and clearer almost right away. Quick heads up before we start. There's one number here that controls your screen size. Change it the wrong way and things can look weird, but I'll show you the safe zone, so you're good. One more thing, when we change this, watch the top bar closely. This works on most Android phones, so let's go. First, we need to unlock developer options. It sounds advanced, but it's actually fast. Open settings. Scroll down and tap About Phone. Open Software Info. Find build number and tap it 7 times. You'll see a message saying developer mode is now active. Done. Go back to settings. Scroll a little and open developer options. Scroll down to the drawing section. Tap minimum width or smallest width. You'll see a number. This number controls icon size and text size together. Here's the simple rule. Lower number, bigger icons and text. Higher number, smaller icons and text. If you see something like 411, try 350 or 340, then tap OK. Now look at the top of your screen. Battery, signal, and icons instantly look larger and easier to read. Don't worry, nothing is permanent. You can change this back anytime. Important safety tip, don't go below 300. Anything between 300 and 400 is safe. Like the difference? Hit like and leave a quick comment.